Hey folks, welcome back. As you can see, today I have a photograph of a wall clock. Look like a wallpaper to you, but trust me, this photograph is captured by me and edited in Snapseed. So if you have got storerooms in your house, you can see that whenever we store things, and keep them for months or years, they're covered with dust and dirt. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to add that dusty and dirty look to any object, and we can do it right in Snapseed. And this is just a cropped image of this photograph. The bigger one is the real clock and the rest are all copied and pasted. Well, enough talking. Now let's jump into Snapseed and let's see how to do this. Now this is the actual photograph that I had captured. So let's import this to Snapseed. Well, we have the image here. Now to add that vintage kind of look, we just need to go to Tools and click on Drama. And you will see a lot of effects over here: Drama 1, Drama 2, Bright 1, Bright 2, Dark 1, Dark 2. By default, Snapseed has already chosen Dark 2 for us, and that's the effect that we want in our photograph. So we applied this effect, and now to add that dirty and dusty look on the surface of these clocks, we'll go to Tools and we'll go to Tonal Contrast. Now you'll notice a slider option at the bottom center. Just tap on it. There are multiple options over here, like high tones, mid tones, low tones, protect shadows, and protect highlights. The very first thing we need to do is reduce the values of the high tones, mid tones, and low tones to 0. Just drag towards the left, and these values will get reduced. Now as you drag towards the left, these values get reduced to 0. Let's tap on the slider option again. Now this time we will increase the values of the high tones and the mid tones as per our requirement. So let's do it. We drag it towards the right, and I will stay with the value of 75. And the high tones to around 84 to 85. Fine, that's it. We apply the effect, and now we will repeat the same thing again. We go to Tools, Tonal Contrast. I'll decrease all the values and I'll go to mid-tones. I'll increase it and keep it around 72. High tones to about okay, I'll keep it to 70. And apply the effect. Now let me compare both the images before and after. So this is before and this is after. This is before, this is after. Now I would like to give a final touch to this image by giving it a warm look. So for that I'll go to Tools, Tune Image, and drag it down to Warmth. And here I'm gonna increase it to about 60. Okay, I'll stay with 53. Now this was completely optional. I felt that adding a warmth to this image would make it look more interesting. Well, I think we have already achieved that effect that we wanted. Now if you notice closely, as I was taking this photograph, there is a reflection of my head over here. Now these things can easily be corrected in Snapseed using the healing tool. You just need to brush over it like this. Well, you can take your time to correct these things. So guys, that was the basic concept. I guess you learned something new today. If you did enjoy this video, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.